KIDULT food! What are those?
What are those? And today we have some stinky cheese. That's right, because we have the cheese selection. We have so many types of cheese. As you can see that there's different types of cheese. Like, there's so many cheese to select from. There's even blue cheese. Now, let's take a look at the cheese. As you can see, the cheese is very stinky, but let's actually look at the. Now let's actually look at the names. This one is Tommy Burbis. This one is Blue, I think. This one is a sauce, and then this one is Morales. I don't know what the names are. And this is the cheese, as you can see from the name from it. This one is Tommy de Bebris, and then this one is Blue.
What